Hi YouTube. Another update on the bumper, baby. Matter of fact, we're gonna do more than the bumper today. Today, it's been a couple days later since I started, since I first documented what I started on the bumper, right? The rear bumper. It's terrible. I made a little progress. I done made a lot of progress on the truck, and today is an update video on the body work, the prep work, the body work before paint of the truck. I'm gonna show y'all this bumper first. We're gonna get right into this, man, and y'all check it out, man. It's been a couple days since the last video, since I picked up the camera and vlogged about the bumper, but I just want y'all to see the process. I want y'all to see how I did it and what I went through and some of the things I use, man. So if you want to do it yourself, man, you won't have to worry about, oh man, if I can do it or not. You can do it. Check it out. All right. Woo. Man, there she go. All right, guys. As you can tell, there's a hole here, and I got a bundled up, man. Fiberglass bundled up. Had a big dent there. Bunch of small dents, man. Ding, 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 ding. Check it out. Can you see me? Check that body work out. I'm take that all the way around. And as you can see, these little holes, that's for those bumper moldings. I went in from the back. What I did was I laid some tape. I had some little half-inch tape. Had some little half-inch tape, laid some tape across it, and went from the back side and bundle glassed them in. You know, so now they're flush to the outside, and it won't take too much to get them flat, you know. And she's looking good, man. She's coming around. She is finally starting to come around, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that. But yeah, let's go and take a look at the truck. Y'all hold on. There she is, guys. Y'all haven't seen that girl in a while as far as walking around the outside of the paint. But check her out. I got her all primed down. I got 2 coats of 2K on her right now. I'll be a primer, and I'm just going over all my spots. Had a dent in that tailgate there. Had a dent down there in the corner. Still working on that big dent there in the bed. Had dents all around that sun gun. Y'all seen it in previous videos, man. Y'all seen it. New door. Had a few dings in it. Fixed those. But today, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna coat match this grill, this bumper, and that lower valance there. That's what we're doing today. And the mirrors, and I believe I'm gonna try to sand down and prep the hood on the bottom, so put some 2K on it and get it primed up real good. I got that factory primer from Street Concepts. I don't like that. Gotta change it. Gotta put my primer on it. Yeah, I already started with sanding down my mirrors. As you can tell, I took the 320 Scotch Brite and I sanded them down. Give y'all before. That's how it looking before. I'm gonna take the whole mirror off. I'm gonna take it apart, and we're gonna do it like that. I touched that bumper down there a little bit. As you can tell with that 320 Scotch Brite, that type of scratches you can expect to have. And this is what I'm using here. If y'all want to do any type of plastic painting, man, you gotta have some Scotch Brite, man. Just get you some Scotch Brite, 320 or 400, and you also need your can or, you know, whatever type of adhesion promoter. You're gonna need adhesion promoter for plastic and chrome and crap like that, man. You're gonna need you some adhesion promoter. This is the Bulldog brand that O'Reilly sells. I'm not sponsored none of that crap, but I just want to tell y'all so y'all won't have to ask or wonder, man. And some Scotch Brite, 320, man. You take that Scotch Brite, and it don't take much, man. Take that Scotch Brite. You see how pretty and shiny that sun gun is, and you. That's all it is to it, baby. Sand it down pretty good, get her flat, get her doled out, Then you want to take your adhesive promoter, spray you about 2 good coats of adhesive promoter over the entire panel, whatever you're painting, and you're good to go. You can run your primer, you can run your base coat, you can run your clear, you can run your one shot, or whatever you got to do. But that's what we're doing today, guys. Shit. We're gonna get her done, get this grill painted, and I didn't know if I wanted to paint the tiara bow, but man, I think I'm gonna just leave her glassy. And take care of that. But yeah, y'all hold on, man. We're gonna get into this body work, man. I'll bring y'all back. All right, YouTube, I'm back with the body work on the part. I'm back, y'all. I'm finished up with the body work on the OBS parts. I left y'all with telling y'all that I was gonna take the grill off, the mirrors off, the lower valance, the hood, sand it down with some 320 Scotch-Brite, scuff it up, and get it all prepped up. And I got it all prepped up, and I got everything hung up behind me here in the shop. I got my lights on, I got my paint out, and I'm getting ready to get at it, y'all. It's getting real today. Ain't no playing, ain't no games, ain't no gimmicks today. I'm finna get at it. I'm turning the camera around, let y'all see what I got going on. I ain't got long. I got everything scuffed up, baby. I got everything taped up. I got everything ready to go. I'ma shoot 2 or 3 coats of 2K primer on everything. I done sprayed everything down. What I'm about to do right now is spray everything down with some 91% alcohol. I don't have no 99, but I got some 91 that's pretty good. So yeah, that's what I'm finna do. I ain't gonna hold y'all a long time. I'm gonna just give y'all a glance at everything, and then I'm gonna get the wiping down, and I'm gonna get the spraying. I'm gonna spray the adhesion promoter first. As y'all can see, I got the hood off the Chevy, and I just gotta pull it right here in my shop. That way I got my top down, that way I can pull my top down and just put it over here, and I ain't gotta do all that, you know what I'm saying? I got the lower valance off. But as you can see, I got everything scuffed up. I got the mirrors scuffed up. I got them taped up, took apart. I took the housings apart so I can get paint everywhere, man. I don't want to really be half-stepping. I'm trying to do as much as I can correctly the first time, so I won't have to go back and retract my steps. Lower valance, sand it down pretty good, guys. I'm gonna just run y'all through it real quick. It's my other housing for the other mirror. Got that hood. I think the camera picking it up pretty good where I got that hood stuffed up with. Man, I had to do so much body work on it, man. I had to, man, it ain't even worth talking about. Just be careful where you spend your money at, guys. That's all I'm gonna say. I got that old grill. She looks shiny, but she's dull, baby. But yeah, guys, what I'm finna do now, I'm finna get everything wiped down with that 91% alcohol, let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back with my adhesion promoter, and then I'll bring y'all back. Y'all hold on, baby. We getting real over here. We in the lab. I ain't playing. Hit that subscribe button, baby. No games to be played 2021. OBS game for life. Alright, y'all. I'm back, man. I done took a lunch break. I done changed clothes. I feel better. I done got 2 coats of this 2K on everything. Everything covered. It's getting dark. The bugs coming in. I ain't got too much time left on the camera, so I gotta make it fast. But I'm gonna just run through and let y'all see this real quick. I got the lights on, so it's pretty bright in here. But yeah, man, it turned out pretty good. And we making progress in the right direction. Yes, sir. 3 coats of 2K primer and 2 coats of that adhesive promoter on the plastic pieces. Check me out. Check me out. Check the hood out. This hood was horrible. I had to sand it down. But look at it, guys. Look at it. She looks good, man. Oh, you thought I wasn't gonna paint on the hood? Oh crap. Man, I want my stuff to look good. That's why I'm taking my time, man. Check me out. Oh yeah. I ain't got too much time. Let me make it quick, baby. Let me make it quick. Check it out. Is the camera really picking it up? I got a couple scars, man, already from when I was driving over there feeding my animals and stuff, dragging on the ground. Look at that, guys. 2K. Look at that grill. I got that grill looking good, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at those mirrors. Pretty. Oh yeah. Bumper filler. Lovely. Smooth. Like a baby's bottom. Check that mirror out. Yes, sir. Got a little small room right there in the corner. Check it out. A little small room. I'm gonna have to wait to sand that out. I ain't gonna lie to you, but that's the only one, baby. That's the only one. Alright, check this bumper out before I get out of here for the night. I'm gonna try to check that bumper out. Check that bumper out. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, it's going down up in here. I'm telling you. It's going down, baby. Wait till y'all see some color on this thing, man. Ha! Hey, y'all make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, man. Give your boy a like for this video, man. It's some pretty good work I done done. I'm proud of myself, man. Hey, listen, y'all make sure y'all tune in, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Got that notification bell turned on all, man. And hey, man, I promise y'all I'm gonna keep bringing y'all some good content, man, with these OBS trucks. Hey, we got a long road ahead of us. Y'all stay tuned, man. I appreciate all my supporters, man. I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Peace.